Now student, we will see what happens when the grandfather of the first old man who appeared in the court arrived, or actually the father of the second old man arrived in the court when the king's man actually found him and brought him in front of the king. So what again the king will ask the same question to him also, that have you ever, and yesterday you saw that old man was actually walked into the court without the crutches. He did not need even the crutches. His eye was cleared, his hearing good, and he spoke distinctly. Actually, he is so physically fit still. He is still so physically fit and healthy, while his son and his grandson were so weak, fragile and old, but this person was still quite strong physically. His eyesight was also quite clear, his hearing was also very good, and he spoke also in a very distinct and clear voice. Distinctly means students means to say that in a very clear and a sound that can be heard quite clearly to a decent distance. The king showed him the grain, and the old grandfather looked at it and turned it about in his hand. Now actually the king again showed him that grain, about what the king wanted to get the information, what kind of grain is this, and from where this grain they used to found it. So actually grandfather, what did the grandfather do with the grain? Grandfather just looked at it and then turned it into his hand to just inspect properly what kind of grain is that. It is a long since I saw such a fine grain, said he, and he bit a piece off and tested it. Now the grandfather is saying that he has seen such grain after a while now. After many years he has seen such grain now. So what did he do? He just bit a piece. Bit of piece means student दांत से काट के एक piece खाया and tested it, because after testing he would get to know that what this grain is. And then he says that actually it's the very same kind, he added. So actually he knew about this grain. Now we can also get to know that why he was so physically fit yet, because he in his time used to eat such powerful grains, big grains. It's about the purity. When we grow something without the help of fertilizers, in pure environment, and without pesticides, that is the purest thing, with full of nutrients. That actually makes our body stronger and makes we remain healthy for a longer period of time, and that is quite evident here in this story, when you are seeing that the son and grandson is so big, fragile and old, while the grandfather is still quite in an okay physical shape.